Ever see a gadget and think, why didn't I know this existed? That's exactly what this video is about. Welcome to Value Byte, where we find smart, everyday gadgets that actually make life easier. No hype, just useful tech. If you love discovering next-level gadgets, hit subscribe. Links are down below. Let's get into it. Your tech looks clean, but it's actually filthy. Dust hides in keyboards, phone grills, camera lenses, and earbuds. This Ordilend Cleaning Kit handles all of it in one set. Brushes reach deep gaps. Spray and cloth wipe screens without streaks. Every tool is safe for delicate gear. No damage, no mess. Just clean devices that work better and last longer. One kit, all your tech. You smell gas, but you don't know where it's coming from. That's dangerous. This PT199 gas leak detector finds it fast. Just turn it on and scan. The moment it senses gas, it beeps and flashes. The closer you get, the louder it gets. Pocket size, battery powered, ready in seconds. Find the leak early, fix it before it becomes a disaster. That's real peace of mind. How else can a camping lamp be designed? Because this one clearly wasn't built the usual way. This is the Xynover Camping Lamp, and it's designed to adapt to whatever situation you're in. Collapsed, it fits right in one hand. Pull it open, and you get a bright, wide area light that actually fills the space. You can hang it inside a tent, attach it in the garage, or keep it by your bedside during power cuts. And here's the smart part. It charges two ways. Use the solar panel when you're outdoors, or plug it in with a cable when you're home. But it doesn't stop at lighting. In emergencies, it doubles as a power bank, so you can charge your phone when it actually matters. One compact device, light source, backup power, and emergency essential, all in one. And right now, Xynover is running a limited time deal till January 14th. So if you're interested, definitely check it out. The link is in the description. Miss one detail in a meeting and everything falls apart. Plaud Note AI makes sure that never happens. Press record. It captures crystal clear audio. Then AI transcribes and summarizes everything for you. Meetings, lectures, calls, all supported. 112 languages, hours of recording. Pocket-sized design. No note-taking, no rewinding. Record once. Get the summary. Work smarter instantly. Your charging setup looks messy. Cables everywhere. Zero style. This is CyberDock, a car-inspired 3-in-1 wireless charger. Drop your phone, MagSafe snaps in. Your watch and AirPods charge at the same time. It rotates. It glows with ambient light. One dock, clean desk. A charging setup that actually looks cool. You measure something, then forget the number, then measure again. This digital tape fixes that. Pull the tape and the number appears instantly on the screen. Feet, inches, or metric, one tap switches units. It even stores up to 20 measurements for you. Rechargeable, accurate, job ready. Less guessing, more doing. This is measuring upgraded. Ever drop something where your eyes can't go? Inside a wall, a pipe, or under the car? This dual lens endoscope camera lets you see it. Front view, side view, live feed on your phone, bright LED lights, 10-foot flexible cable, even works underwater. Plug it in, open the app, inspect instantly, find problems, grab lost parts, fix faster. Your car gets dirty fast. Crumbs, dust, pet hair, everywhere. This Oxto mini vacuum handles it. Cordless, just 1 pound, and 14,000 Pascal of real suction. Seats, floor mats, tight corners, clean in seconds. And it doesn't just vacuum. It blows, inflates, and pumps too. USB-C charging, up to 30 minutes of runtime. Small gadget, big power. Every car owner needs this. Your charging cable keeps falling off the desk. Now you're digging on the floor again. These Joyroom magnetic cable clips stop that. Stick them once, snap the cable in with one hand. The magnet locks it in place. It pulls out smoothly, stays exactly where you want it. Desk, nightstand, car, wall. 6 clips, 0 cable chaos. A clean desk that finally stays clean. You make coffee, and 5 minutes later, it's cold. This mug warmer fixes that. 3 heat levels keep every sip perfect. And it's smart. It also wirelessly charges your phone while you work. Soft LED glow so you don't knock your cup over. Hot coffee, charged phone, clean desk. Small gadget, daily lifesaver. You land in a new country and none of your plugs fit. Dead phone, dead laptop. This Momax 6-in-1 travel adapter fixes that. Works in over 200 countries. 3 USB-C, 2 USB-A, 1 AC outlet. 70 watts of fast charging at once. GaN tech keeps it small, cool, and travel ready. One plug, every device, every country. Your desk looks like a charging war zone. This bamboo charging station fixes it. Phone, tablet, watch, earbuds, all charging in one clean spot. Hidden cables, zero clutter. Natural wood finish. Your desk stays clean, your devices stay ready. This looks like a pen, but it's actually a precision power tool. Meet the Aromax mini drill pen. Perfect for jewelry, wood, plastic, and circuit boards. 5-speed control keeps delicate work clean and safe. OLED display. Built-in LED lights. USB-C rechargeable. Bit changes in seconds. Small tool, pro-level precision. Perfect for DIY and repairs. You think your nightstand is safe? This is safer. This biometric gun safe opens in under half a second. Fingerprint, PIN, or backup key. On top, wireless charging for your phone and smartwatch. It also shows time, temperature, humidity, and battery level. Silent mode, interior LED. One-touch access in the dark. Your firearm is secure. Your devices stay charged. One smart unit, zero compromise. That's it for today's cool gadgets. Simple, smart, and actually useful. If you enjoyed this, subscribe to ValueByte for more gadgets you didn't know you needed. All the buy links are waiting in the description. See you in the next one.